So Sam had planted some flowers about 4 weeks ago, and they grew 6 inches. They even had yellow flowers on the end. So Sam went inside because his mom was making some vegan enchiladas. She started off with some beans and rice that she had made. She added some oregano and chili powder and salt and pepper to the beans and rice and a little bit of tomatoes. And she mixed it up and she made a little sauce. And she rolled up the enchiladas and put the sauce on top and added some vegan cheese. The enchiladas were so good. Even Dad liked them. The end.